Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Ready to dive into the world of crypto.com? First things first, click the link in the description below to snag your special offer. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. Alright, let's get started. Crypto.com is your one-stop shop for all things crypto. It's like that magical portal in Narnia, but, with digital coins instead of talking animals. Step 1. Download the Crypto.com app. It's available on both iOS and Android, so no excuses. Once installed, sign up using your email and create a super strong password. Think of something a hacker wouldn't guess, like your childhood pet's middle name. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. This part's crucial to keep everything legit and secure. Upload a photo ID and take a quick selfie. Try to look fabulous. This could be your new profile pic. Now the fun part. Adding funds. You can link your bank account, use a credit or debit card, or even transfer from another wallet. Boom! You've got funds ready to roll. Let's talk about buying your first cryptocurrency. Head over to the Buy Crypto tab. Here, you can pick from a buffet of coins. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. It's like picking your favorite ice cream flavor. Just select, confirm, and voila. You're now the proud owner of some digital gold. But wait, there's more. Crypto.com offers a Visa card that lets you spend your crypto in the real world. Yes, you heard that right. Crypto for coffee? Don't mind if I do. And don't forget about staking. It's like putting your crypto to work. Earn rewards just for holding onto your coins. It's as if your money decided to get a job. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get started with your special offer. Happy trading, and may the blockchain be ever in your favor. Catch you in the next video.